The workers on the last night of the year don't get a break to go home. They transform the sound of machines into drum beats and hold a simple New Year's Eve celebration right in the factory. Ladies and gentlemen, the poem, The Factory Before Midnight Christmas 2026, written by Alton Nguyen, is dedicated to you. Please share it. There are clocks in the workshop, counting the years with the steady hum of the machines. As the streets prepare for reunions, the workers still stand beside the conveyor belt. The last night shift receives goods that need to be delivered early. Every hand works tirelessly. The young worker hides a picture of his child in his pocket. The woman at the table remembers her mother in central Vietnam. The foreman brings in a thermos of hot water. Say tonight, we'll drink it in the new year. No party, just a few paper cups, but the laughter makes the workshop less silent. Every product that comes out of the machine contains sweat and human dreams. The new year comes in every job, while we still have hope on our lips. Oh, workshop at night, let the new rhythm resound. The metallic sound transforms into the drum of life. The hands that haven't left their work, still raising their best wishes to everyone. Oh, workshop at night after a hard year, we stand together like a family. Even on New Year's Eve beside the conveyor belt, there is still dawn in people's hearts. Near midnight, they paused for a minute, turning off the machine to silence the room. Each person called home urgently, hearing warm wishes on the other end of the line. Then they counted 10 seconds together. No fireworks, just bright eyes. When the machine started again, a new year had arrived for everyone. Not everyone returned to their homes, but family bonds followed them to work. When teammates looked at each other and understood each other, the long night shift became less difficult. Bringing the new year to the villages.